Hello all, welcome to my tutorial. Today I am going to explain about JavaScript string methods. Okay. So if you did not watch first 10 classes, you just go through the first 10 classes and come to 11th class. Okay. So I will include the link for this series in the description of this video. Okay. So today's topic is JavaScript string methods. Okay. So in that string methods, there are multiple methods are there for string. So today I'm going to explain about these three methods: index of, last index of, and search. Okay. So if these three methods we will use for searching a string inside another string. Okay. So what is the use of these three, and what is the difference between these three? Why we will use these three? Okay. So let's start with one by one. Index of method, first one. So index of method we will use for like this. Let's say whatever we give, here we have taken one string, str equal to one string. Inside this string, please look, this is the string, please locate where locate occurs, right? In this string I want to find another string, whether it is exist or not. So if we will write like this, str dot index of, here one more string, substring. Okay. So that will give, index of will give output the index of the find string. Index means this position, index and position both are same actually. Position of the character or word. Okay. So if you take this p in this sentence, p position is 0, l position is 1, e position is 2. So position will start from 0. Okay, 0 1 2 like that, each character position. I'm saying index means index and position both are same. Okay, we need not to confuse here. Each character we can give the position. P position is 0, position will start from 0. Okay, so this index of method will give position of this string. Wherever it's find this substring inside main string, that position it will give output. So here it's find at 7th position, that's why it will return at 7th. So this way, this is the output will come 7th. Okay. In case if it don't find this string inside main string, that will give -1. Okay. Both index and last index of also will be same thing. Okay. So that is about index of. Index of will return the output, the position of the string wherever it's find. Okay. So here 7th will come because p0 1 2 3 4 5 space also will consider it as 6th position. Okay, one more position, 6th 7th position locate word is present, so that will return the output 7th. Okay. If you take next example, I want to search locate 1 2 3. See, locate 1 2 3 not present in this sentence, so that will give -1 simply. It will not give the any output, means it will just give the -1 because that text is not found. So next point, JavaScript counts position from 0. So I just told, right, position it will give from 0 to like the 0 1 2 3 like that for each character. So wherever we are searching this word, wherever it's find that word, it will return that position in case if it find, otherwise it will give -1. Okay. So index of, that is the one. Last index also similar to index of, but that last index of will work from end to right to left. Okay. Index of will work from left to right, but last index of will work from right to left. Okay. So it will find the last index, means from right to left it will search whatever we are searching the keyword. If it find, it will return the index. Okay, both are same on index of, last index of, but index of will search from left to right, last index will search from right to left. Okay. So here if we do this thing, last index of locate, so it will find this one, not this one, because last, here name itself saying last index of. So this position is 21. If we calculate from here 0 1 2 like that, here 21 will come. Okay. So here you can see both index of and index of, last index of return -1. So last index of also will return -1 in case if it not present the substring. See, here we are searching John. That John word is not present in this main string, so that will return the -1. Okay, so one more thing, yeah, one more point is both index of last index of method accept second parameter. See, if you see here, it will accept second parameter also. That is optional, but we can give. Then what is the use of this second parameter? Okay, so the second parameter we will use when we give the second parameter 15th, means here in this example, after 15th position only it will start searching this keyword. Okay, before that it will not search. So we can mention from where it should search this string. Okay, that is about second parameter. Here if you give given 15th, right, so 15th will come somewhere here. So after 15th this keyword is present. Okay, so this 21 is coming. If we don't give this second parameter, it will find this one index of method. Okay, wherever it's first find the string, it will return. Otherwise, if we give the second parameter, from that it will search and it will give the position of the string. Here 21 will give. So last index of also similar to this one only. We can pass the second parameter, but this will search from right to left, right, last index of, so that will return the 7. Okay, next method is search. So we have 3 methods, right, I just told you. This third method is search. Those that is similar to index of only, but that will not accept the second parameter. Okay, so we cannot pass second parameter here for searching from that position to string. So that is the only key difference, index of and search. Okay, so it will not accept the second parameter. If you see here, so most of the people will confuse what is the difference index of and search. Are they both equal or not? Both are not equal, because index of will accept second parameter, but second parameter means this one 15, this one after string it will accept second parameter, but search will not accept that second parameter. And in search we can use some regular expressions. So there is some one more class where I will explain in the future regular expressions. So using search we can also include regular expressions. So those will useful for searching advanced searches also. Okay, so that we cannot do in the index of, using index of. Only using search we can perform that regular expressions. Okay, I will explain in the future sessions about regular expressions. So let's see practically. I will show you 1-2 examples about index of, last index of and search. Okay, let's create one basic HTML file, JS10 find string. Okay, .html. So I'm using this Visual Studio Code editor for writing HTML code. HTML is the root element. Inside that 2 sections will be there. One is head element, second one is the body element. So inside head, let's write the title of the web page. Let's say search a string in another string. Okay, now let's write some JavaScript code. So JavaScript we will write inside head element, right? So I just written one inside head element. Inside script tag we will write the script. Okay, so let's go to our documentation. So we'll take first index of. How index of will work? String dot index of something like this. So let's say where a equal to some string. I'm just writing some hello, hi, how are you. I'm just writing hi, one more time, hi. Okay, dot index of. So we will write like this syntax. So here is the string dot index of. Let's say here we need to write some keyword, some string or anything. let's say hi. Okay, let's put how. Okay, now this will return the position. So position will calculate, h will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space also it will consider one character. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, sorry, here only, na? Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10th position it will return. So if you see h position is 0, e position will be 1, like that. How word position is 10. Okay, so this should return the 10th 10 output. Okay, so now let's run in the browser. Let's save it first. For running in the browser, just right click here and open with live server. Okay, so let's put alert also, because just we return one variable. Let's put some alert. Now let's see. So whatever output will come, I am just putting alert. See, 9 is coming. So what we have written, 10, okay, 0, 1, 5, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 9 only, sorry, I just written 1. So this how word present in the 9th position actually. Okay, if you take from 0 to each character, if you give the position, then it will this how position is 9. Okay, so if you give here high position will be 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let's see. Now high position should be 6. See, 6th position is coming, na? So like that. If you say hello will be 0, because starting only it is there. So if you hear 0 will come output. See, 0 is coming. Okay, so similar way, let's put higher one more time. So that will give 6th, right? Sixth is coming. So instead of index of, I just will use last index of now. Last index of. Okay, now let's see how it will come. Now the 6th will not come. So from last to front it will consider, it will search last index of. So that will give, see, 17 will give. It will not find this one. It will find this one, last high, because from last to first it will search. Okay, so here 19 will come. What is it, 19 or 17? 17 will come. Okay, so similar to this one only, search also. Okay, and one more thing, index of will accept second parameter also. Okay, so by default this one will take this one. If we index of from left to right, so if we want to add one more parameter, we can add it here. Okay, let's say I will give some 13. After 13th position it will start searching like this, index of. Okay, if we give second parameter, let's see now which one will come output. See, 17th is coming. So it's index of, ideally it will take from left to right, so it should find this one, but it is finding now this one because we have given second parameter. Okay, so search also similar to this one only. Instead of index of it, we will use the search method, but it will not accept the second parameter. Okay, so that is the only key difference here. Both will give same thing. See, 6th is coming. So search also will start from search left to right. So say here high position will be 6th. Okay, so that is about today's class. So today I have explained about how to search a string into another string. So I have explained about these 3 methods: index of, last index of, and search. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain about some more methods are there for string. These are the methods for strings actually. Okay, so there are some more methods are there: slice, substring, all these things. So tomorrow I will come with some more methods for strings. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.